Morning, morning, morning. Alright. Morning squats. Righty ho. Looking interesting. Let's take a look at Goldie. Goldie's coming up. So wow, GJ over here. I mean, this past, I'd say, month or so, NY session has been absolutely shit until about 3 o'clock, yeah, 3:30, and then runs off. How many people didn't get that trade because of the bottom wick there? Oh, I'm so glad I didn't wait. Oh, no bottom wick, taking the buys above. How much was your stop? 19 pips. Yeah, it's annoying, man. Was there any, still look on the 5 minute if there's any kind of, yeah, 1 5-minute bullish closures. 12 pip stop. Very nice. Okay, I was waiting for the bottom wick but it ran away. Yeah, I took a buy earlier, hit break even. Nice, nice, nice. Good risk management. So welcome everyone. Again, sorted over here. So yeah, looking like GJ for me for buys is right at resistance now. So I've got to wait for some support form to take more buys. It looks like it actually has in the hourly, but yeah, just on the higher time frames we have came towards the weekly target for me, to be honest. 167474. That was the target for me. So nice. I mean, beautiful. Every single one of the moves was later on, which kind of sucks. So that's great. But I'm not staying on the chart until 3:30. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I stick with my times, and that's all. That's all good. Okay, did you buy gold now? Nope. I've just came on the charts. So let me just drop down on GG over here. So daily 4 hour, all bullish. Last one closed doji on the 4 hour. Hourly time frames making supports. 50 minutes, 30 minutes looking a little bit shittier. So looking like maybe a potential double top soon, which would be nice for us to take potential sells back down for a little retest. Where is the next support? Well, it's kind of hard to decide where it is, man. I mean, probably all the way back down to 166663 would be okay. There is a minor support, I'd say here. I'm gonna put it there. So I mean, potential riskier sells below. Oh my god, this mouse. 167128. Yeah, that could be okay. How big is this zone to fill? So 12 pips to that wick, and then yeah, 40 pips all the way down, which is okay. Not too bad. So yeah, I mean, potentially you could get buys above if you wanted. I think you could get sells below here, 167, because this would be breaking the lows of the previous Asian lows. So let me just put this on over here. But as you see right now, it is just in a consolidation range just after it's hit the higher time frame resistance. So a little retracement, little sells would be nice. So yeah, looking like gold over here. Yeah, gold yesterday was interesting. So mic volume is low. Is it low? Let me take a look. It doesn't look low to me. I don't think so. Maybe the music is a little bit loud. Yeah, I agree. I need to get a new mouse. I agree. I'll do that after this, actually. Okay, so gold is been in a very, very big range for a while now, since the 23rd of May. So it's kind of hard to decide where price should go. I went on Wix 9 stream a little bit later on to see how he was doing, and looking for buys over here later on. But Yeah, looking a little bit choppy. So the daily time frame bearish, the 4 hours bullish. Okay, the 4 hour time frame looking like it's maybe making a top wick. Hourly time frames making some big supports. 30-minute and 15-minute look okay. Let's look at the 15. So 15-minute support right now is going to be here. 1846. Sells below 1846 to continue down to 1843 would be rather nice, I think. That could be okay. And then furthermore, we could continue all the way down to 1838. Yes. So, I think sells below 1846 could be okay, because I'll be flipping the 4 hour, and the 4 hour then will be turning and filling the wick. So, I kind of like sells below here. Oh my god. Okay, so something like this. There we go. Yep, sells below there would be nice. Now for buys are going to be interesting, I think, for me. Let's look on the 30-minute. Yeah, there's quite a lot of traffic, to be honest with you, for the buys. So I may just play it safe and just wait for the daily flips up here. Daily flips and breaking of highs at 1854. I think so. So yeah. But what about the other levels along the way for GJ? Well yeah, so the next level that I could have trouble with is this, which is 14 pips away, which is okay. Also, you could have a little bit of trouble there, and that minor resistance there, and you'd be up like 5 pips. With volume, should be good to fill it. If you don't like it, yeah, don't really do it. Maybe you could wait for sells below there, maybe. Which is also what I was looking at as well. Sells below there. For me, this is Asian lows. So I'm kind of happy breaking them, I think. So yeah, for buys, let's take a look, right? Let's take a look on how the 15 looks above. Right. Oh, mate. There we go. Okay, so the last time we were here is the 21st of April. And we came up over here, and we came to the resistance, which is, yeah, 530. 530 looks like a very, very key level of resistance. So let me just draw this on. Yeah, all around here. Resistance there, resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. So maybe a little bit higher up, maybe like there. And then furthermore to these highs would be like 780 scraping. Okay, so now we look on our side and see how that looks for the targets. We'll take a look, And you can see that we have 15 pips is not too bad. You could potentially take that. We'll see how closures are and stuff. But looking at the moment, like there's some big ass resistance, so that's okay. And yeah, no trades taken yesterday for me. It's kind of hard. Bought gold at 1848 with 13 pips stop. Took 18 pips on good for this morning. Oh, 1848. Let's take a look at that.
There was some support forming.
Yeah.
You can see it's obvious uptrend on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
And then 1848 is a psychological level. You had some where your 4-hour flip is.
Yeah.
Which is below that. I had my stop.
I had you below the stops.
So I had a 13 pip stop on my MetaTrader.
Yeah, that was nice. Vincent's up early grinding.
Yeah, I've got 4-year-olds. So.
Yeah, that explains it. Very nice.
And it's an hour difference with you. So
oh yeah.
Past 8 already, so it's not that early.
Yeah, that's true. Brian, you taking anything this morning? You seen anything?
Nah, not yet, mate.
Yeah. Again, man, fucking NY, Jesus Christ. Holy shit.
I almost triggered a buy, and I was like, and then it first made a top wick on that current candle. I was like, oh, hold on a second. And then it came down, and then I measured the stop, and it was 10 pips. And I was like, oh, am I too late? So I left it. But if you triggered, you would have gotten 15 pips and then break even.
Yeah.
And then it rocketed.
Then it fucking skyrocketed. Mike is not low, you are high. What? Why are people saying that Mike is low or Mike is not low? I'm confused. Oh, mate, I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh my god. I got 10 pips on gold sell. Oh, nice. I wonder where you got the gold sells before. Later before here, maybe? Asian? We'll take a look at AJ as well. But yeah, let's take a look as well at news, because that'll tell us if we're gonna have some issues maybe today. Oh, look at all this news. JPY, shit. Interesting. 1250, did that move, GJ? Not really.
Not really, no.
Not really. Maybe a little bit up, but so, yeah, we're okay. Construction PMI at 930. 10-year bond auction. And that is it for GJ. USD, there's some yellow folders, but there's nothing too important, which is nice to see. I'm on GJ sells when the 5-minute broke. What was it? 5-minute broke the low. Oh. What? The previous low? Wait, where? Would you say we are ranging today? Yeah, we're in a range at the moment here. Oh yes, a little bit of a range. We're just waiting patiently to see what happens. I really don't want the buys, to be honest, because I hate buying into daily res. So we'll see. We'll see. I would like a nice little correction. That was the nice correction we got at London, and then we just fucking ranged the whole time there. Oh my god. The whole time there, and then we finally launched off. Yeah, and that buy there at London was nice. People traded that yesterday, worked out nicely. But the people getting in a little bit too early there with no closure above would have had some sweaty balls and over 14 pips drawdown. So yeah. Let's take a look. Oh, I forgot to do that bot thing to get this fucking bitch out. Just at 10 pips now. Oh, nice. Oh, you got in a little bit higher then. Oh, you got in. Right there. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. What was your trade record this month so far? Let's take a look. Here's 2 wins, 1 break even. Yep, 2 wins, 1 break even. Yeah. Half of it's been bank holiday, so I'm okay with that. That fuck you candle must have been nice. So yeah, I mean, looking like GJ is gonna potentially continue down now. 50-minute time frame bearish, 30-minute time frame bearish, rejecting. Oh shit! Let me just go get my phone, and it'll be good. lovely 90 pips caught yesterday during NY London close. Nice. How did you get in, my man? So close was here as well. Yeah, London close is there. I feel for people waiting all that time there not to get a bottom wick. So in that example there, I mean, if this candle closed bullish above, this candle wicked back down to this level here, taking a buy there, a stop loss below would be nice. Which is the stop. Yeah. It's been like that recently for a long time, but I am not sticking on the charts for fucking... How long would that be on the charts there for? So 7 till 9, it's 2 hours, and 12 till 2 is 2 hours, 4... So it'll be 5.5 hours. 5 hours on the chart. Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely not. Not worth it. Do you guys have a set time when you stop trading for the day? Yeah, normally 2 o'clock, to be honest. Sometimes a bit later if there's a gold trade. But apart from that, no. Yeah. Apart from that, I'll wait a little bit longer. Which is not too bad, which is all good. So looking like gold is starting to push up over here, but I just think it's bearish overall for me recently. A 4-hour time frame. It's always making lower lows, so always making lower lows. So I think that should be okay. AJ, yeah, we'll take a look at AJ over here. So, same thing with AJ, blasted off very, very bullish like GJ, but a little bit of, yeah, it's got like 100 pips to the next zone on the daily actually. Daily candles have been very, very bullish, but I think they've done the same thing as GJ. They haven't really ran in our sessions, they've just been later on, which is okay. Can anyone recommend me a mouse right now? Put it in the chat. Recommend me a mouse, because this mouse is fucking, it's enough now for me to buy it. It's fucking annoying as shit. Nothing bad about it, it's just the fucking clicker, it just goes off. So like, look at that, I have to try to move this line about 4 times there. It's washed. Any Steel series, yeah, I know they're pretty good. I'll take a look at them in a sec. So yeah, daily time frame, a bit doji right now. That's okay. 4 hours, first 4 hour bearish closure for a while. This one now is flipping bearish. Okay, showing like maybe a bit of exhaustion. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame, 30-minute and the 50-minute. So the hourly looking like big hourly support here at 95.7656. Okay, so I mean for us, if we make this over here, this is the clear level of support right now. 95.742. So sells below there, you could get to 95.634. So like it's squeezing 10 pips, probably not the best for sells. For potential buys, it would probably be above 95.990 to continue to the highs, which would be 96.174. So that's actually not that bad. That's not that bad, to be honest. $95,994, beautiful. Sells for here may be a little bit tricky, to be honest. Also, we're very, very bullish, so I wouldn't really want to take that, I don't think. Wouldn't want to take that. So let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, it's coming down, which is nice eventually. Needs to come down a little bit further for me, I think, first. What do you think, Bri, for sells? Where would you want to take the sells?
The 1 hour looks a bit nasty.
Yeah.
So I think below 166,978, go to the 30. I think this could be safest.
Yeah. We'll see how the hourly closes. I would want at least the hourly to close below this little hourly support for me. So if you got below 690, next support is at 879, and furthermore to the daily flip. Yeah, we'll have to see. Oh, I really want some nice clean London, man. Give me some nice one. What was our last London trade? Let's take a look. And on the first, on the first. Max, how many monitors do you have in front of you? Only 2? Yeah, I think when I move to Leeds, I'm probably gonna buy 3 if I have enough space, and get like a little stands for it. Nice. Well, as long as it fucking lets me click, I don't really care. Hello Kitty, Mike. It's like a spaceship. Yeah, I need to check it out. Need to check it out. So yeah, I sent that homework in. I think someone's already sent me the homework, so I'll go through that today. Yeah, here. I'll take a look at that. Yeah, it's just good to go through it, man. Get good for your zones. It's always worth it. I have a Logitech G Pro. Apparently the Logitechs are nice. That's gone with them. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. What do you guys think? Let's put a poll in on YouTube. Where is GJ going? London. Sure. Bullish, bearish. Let's take a look at what people think for GJ. Rub the 8-ball fry. So yeah, we'll see. Dewbrook trend line. Let's take a look over here. So 62% says bullish. Yes. People are still looking for them buys. Okay, let's take a look over here. Beautiful. Yeah. Very nice. Let price sort itself out in this area, then take the buys and the sells. Sounds good. Sounds good. I think that'll be pretty reasonable. Look at the daily. Yeah. Hasn't got there yet. 478, but it's close. 7 minutes left for the half-an-hour candle to close. I mean, if it closes above, still think it would work. Definitely agree with that weekly, Max. I think we might be filling the weekly, yeah. That's what you hope, for sure. Top of the morning. Yeah, so potential buys, I mean, I would want a nice strong closure above, nice lower wick. Maybe trying to get the retest if I could. We'd have to see. Yeah. That's what we gotta do. Add another range. So 59% say bullish. Oh wow, it's actually getting closer now. Interesting. But I think buys might be only towards that wick fill. Yeah. Well, it's got to go past, you know, it's got to go past the daily resistance, which is, you know, quite a big resistance as well. I held it for like 4 days, 5 days, so yeah. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. So 5 minutes left. I mean, yeah, early entries at 7:30 could be on the cards over here. Could be on the cards. So let's do this. Right, let me put this on. So see if you can get a closure. 7:25. Sorry, at 7:30. Could be an option. Could be an option. Max sent a chart. Can you take a look? Sure. On Discord, I'll take a look. You should put I don't know in the options. It looks like a lot of people are a little bit confused in where GJ's gonna go today. Yeah. I think so too. Yeah. So, let's take a look. Just checking this out. So another Obi-Wan Kenobi today. Want to see how long the episode is, man. Hopefully it's nice. Hopefully it's nice. So, looking like, wow, a lot of streaming. A lot of people streaming now today. I just checked over here. Shit, let's take a look. We've got Daniel, we got Dollar, we got DC. I think apparently Daniel's in a trade. Let's check. Let's take a look over here what trade he's in. Ah, 5 minute time frame. He's looking for sells. Interesting. Yeah, I think for me, I just want the sells a little bit lower. I think that'll be a little bit safer for us. Okay, let's take a look at Discord. Discord. Let's take a look at FXMO. Okay, so you took some gold sells this morning. Very nice solid closure. Stop loss above the previous is actually 10 pips. Easy, nice top wick flip. Easy work, very nice. Bob's your uncle, 10 pips caught. Just about, yeah, did 10 pips caught. Job done. Very, very nice. Looks like gold. Does look like gold in Asian is a little bit easier because it moves less. So the stop loss it moves like less for like when it starts ranging and then starts pushing. So you can get your stops actually pretty nicely, like 10 pips, which is yeah, it's pretty good. I agree. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So, I take a look here. I just move my cursor there. So yeah, get paid to wait, man. I mean, I've been waiting, yeah, all of yesterday. There's nothing to take yesterday at the markets. It's good though. We went through a simulation session yesterday and we looked through the time of May the 11th to May the, I think, 17th, and there was only one GJ trade that was really there. It was this one that I could have taken. The rest were hard. Actually, that one as well, yeah. The rest were all like breaks of highs, so they were literally 5 minute closures above and then launching. Every single one of them. There was about 6 entries that did that. It was ridiculous. Yeah, very nice. I really advise you guys getting this simulation
because it's for some reason it
the actual software.
is that
It's delicious. You have everything on here. You can make your own account. So just 100,000. I always start off with the lots. Show how you'd manage risk, etc., etc. It's really good. Let's take a look. On the monthly time frame, there are so many wicks to the left on GJ. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Morning, my boy. Come on, GJ, get your ass together, man. Do something, boy. Do something.
Got my cowboy hat on this morning, man.
You got your cowboy hat on. On gold? Because Vincent got into some gold buys before.
GJ.
Oh, GJ. Oh, Jason.
Let me just see if I can see him there. No buys.
Where the fuck did you get buys? What time?
Check it.
What the fuck did you get? Oh, shit. When that 5-minute retraced. Okay. Okay.
They're all bullish though.
Yeah. Oh, bullish. Ah, nice. Let's look on the 50 that looked. Yeah, 15 rejected. How big was your stop here? 7 pips.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 3 minutes closed. Breaking up over here. Interesting. Look at the hourly time. Hourly's flipped. Yeah. Very interesting. No impulses for me though, but if people want to take impulses, whatever, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Okay, so 167, 450. We'll have to see what the crack is then. Nobody likes Jason. Fuck's sake, Brian. Isn't that a minor resistance on gold? Gold's just in a big ass zone. But yeah, there is a minor resistance here, 1850. Yeah, I mean, you could potentially get buys above there, to be honest. 1851 was the big level yesterday as well. Yeah, that actually might not be too bad. A little kind of shitty wicks there, but that might not be bad. And there we go, GJ randomly blasting off after the 15 made some support. Very nice. So let's take a look and see how Savage is going to manage risk over here. Let's take a look. It's always good to see other people how they manage risk, just to see what would you do. I think if it broke them highs, I think I would have closed half. How big are the stops over here? Holy shit. Yeah, I think if breaking them higher time frame highs, Asian highs, or London, I think that would kind of scare me a little bit over here. Goldie making a little bit of resistance. I think buys would be nice, but then sells 1846. I'm coming for them, boy. Hello, Max. I've been trying to get that software for the longest now, but I'm from Nigeria and our card don't pay more than $20 for purchase. Ah. Shit. I have no idea. Then. Beautiful. GJ running off randomly again. Fuck, I'm so sick of it.
Jason was awake this morning. Only one.
The OG's here. Yes, sir.
Wow, your runner's still in, Jace?
Of course, man. Saving pups.
Good lad. He doesn't manage risk, he just lets it run. Ah, right. Interesting. So we'll see. We'll see what the score is. We'll see what the score is with GJ. I mean, to be honest with you, buys above 560 would be okay as well. That's the next resistance. It's only 10 pips away, so that would be a little bit cautious as well. God, people coming into the charts today and like waiting for these buys, missing this one, and then also this waiting for NY yesterday, missing that one. Oh God, I'd be distraught. You'd be distraught. I did my first bit of cardio yesterday in the gym, and it was fucking awful. It was nasty.
You must struggle, mate, because all you do is smoke all day.
Nah, actually, to be fair, all of the It wasn't actually a struggle at the start, man. I'm a good runner, to be honest. I'm a good fast-paced runner, but fuck it, it's boring. I did it for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna do 30 minutes every day. Just go through it. I need to get this rig off. The rig's pissing me off.
Should do some football, mate.
I know I am. I'm doing football today. That's the cardio for me on them days. Yeah.
Stop eating McDonald's.
Yeah, that is the one. To be honest, this month I've tried to change this month, because last month I'm just spending too much money and I'm just eating like a fucking fat cunt. So this month I've spent. Oh, the Angel Inn. No, that was drinks. I've been to Wagamama's. That's it.
I'll send you a video back from where I'm going from. Going Le Mans.
You going to Le Mans?
Yeah.
Nice. My dad loves it there. He goes in his camper van and camps out.
I'll send you a video, mate. Proper pisser. That's
some hardcore shit, that racing. So if you got in on the break of the highs here, I'd probably stop us to break even. Let's take a look. That's how we're just going to manage over here. No, managing risk. I swear these guys do a load of webinars about managing risk. These guys don't fucking manage risk. Calorie deficit, yep, agreed. So after 6 o'clock, I stopped eating yesterday. Actually, well, I lie. I had a packet of crisps and I had a soup. But that's better than normal. I wonder how many calories I ate yesterday, actually. Not too much, to be honest, I don't think. I think gold on the 30-minute gonna drop to correct the clean traffic to the left. Yeah. Yeah, so you wanted me getting a little bit earlier over here, for sure. GG has been impulsive for the past week. That's why I take trades in the break of the highs as long as there's been a 30-minute closure and clean candles to the left. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how you got the trade yesterday. Yeah, but Tom, what I try and do, and I suppose that's true, but what I try and do is try and stop eating late at night. Because if I'm eating late at night and I'm sitting down, I ain't burning any calories when I'm in bed, am I really? So I'm trying to...
Yeah, you do.
No, I know you do, but not as much as me running around in the gym, right? So I'm trying to, after the gym, I'm finished, don't eat anymore. And then wake up in the morning.
You have to get into a routine of it. I ate it when in winter I'll eat shit all the time. Then summer I'm so strict, it's horrible.
Yeah.
These little things are like cutting your crisps out.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, the crisps are the best though. But GJ 12 pips running. Oh, I hope you close some profits over here. Yeah, so you've got in on just to break the highs there. Yeah. Interesting.
Tasty. GG was so tasty.
Take some profits, Jace, as well, my boy. Did you take some profits here? Please say you did. Looking towards that next res. It's quite a big res. Look at the daily. Look at the daily, boy. So Savage might be okay over here with his big ass stop. See if I just hold it on. Okay, yeah. So I'm still waiting for Goldie, I think. We'll see how GJ reacts. To be honest, I'm kind of happy it's pushed GJ because we're going to see how it reacts in this area. Because what we've done now is we've broken Asian highs. So now if you start coming close and back below, it's a double top and we've rejected it. Maybe some turtle soup later on, maybe. Turtle soup. Cut and crisp out. Just put a smartwatch on your good hand, Max. I've got an Apple Watch over there, but I don't really use it, man. I don't stay consistent with it. Should have bought two, but I didn't want impulse. Exactly, man. If it's an impulse and you don't want to take it, just don't take it. It's simple. So there's going to be less trades, you know, because all you're wanting is closures, bottom wicks, top wicks, etc. But that's fine because your win rate's going to be high. Next Obi-Wan Kenobi comes out in 20 minutes. Ah, nice. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. That rejection in the 4-hour res, yeah. Yep. 340 people here. Make sure you like the stream up, guys. Run them likes up. Make do a giveaway soon. Maybe at the end of this week, I think. little bit of giveaway. Make sure to go and like and comment, because that's where the giveaway is going to be on. Like and comment on all my Instagram posts, all the recent ones, the past like 3 or 4. Like them bitches up. Let's take a look at DC over here. Let's take a look at DC. You just see this the whole squad over here. Nice streams. Take a look at DC. Oh, DC in a Euro, JPY in the 5. Oof. I've been looking for these before. It looks like you get a break even on it as well. How does it look like in the 15? Show me the 15. Oh, hourly. Nice rejection wicks. Closure above. Yeah, I should continue. That's why he entered on the 5. DC likes the 5 minute actually. Yeah, he does some quite good 5-minute trades. We'll have to see. Let's take a look at some more questions. Make sure to ask some questions. You know, it's the best way to do it, especially with our group, right? With our YouTube stream and our Zoom right now, because we're not as big as some others. You know, it's not a bunch of full of the fucking gulag. It's actually not that bad. So it's the best time to ask questions. I'm done with the impulse. Exactly. The impulses are nice, I think, if you got nice strong 5-minute closures. I mean, that's what we kind of back tested the last simulation. And basically what happens is if it breaks the previous 5-minute high after it's closed above, if it starts pushing, you're good. If it starts coming back, you can just close it in like -3 pips, whatever. It should stop pushing straight after that. So it's kind of what you want there. What is the go about institutional candles? I have no idea, man. I just read the charts. Whatever institutional stuff happens, I just look if price is going to continue upwards or downwards, if it's in a zone, if it's in a range. How am I going to get into the perfect times to get price to push above and below and then execute? Yeah, man. I played some video games. Last night I played Borderlands actually with the boys. That was actually pretty good. I enjoyed that game. I actually enjoyed it. But yeah, I play CS, FIFA. I used to play the CODs. I used to bash CODs. I used to be quite good at it, but the new CODs for me just don't do it right. One more. Oh yeah, it's the reveal today. Oh shit. Now that would be nice. Cause been shit ever since Modern Warfare 2, yeah. Modern Warfare 2. I liked Black Ops. I liked Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2. But yeah. Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2 is my games, man. Fuck, I used to absolutely dominate on them multiplayers. Oh my god. Some good ass guns in there. Play FIFA, yeah. I think you can have a whole team. What the fuck? Why would you want to play soccer? You just slag it off all the time. I mean, that'd be sick. I could play like Rocket League as well. Rocket League. Yeah, Rocket League's fun. With the squad, isn't it? It's good shit. Rocket League. Max, have you noticed GJ moving at NYSE Open? Yep. Sure have, but I really just can't be asked to stay in the charts for 5.5 hours. Fucking eyes. So it's fine. I'm not gonna change the the times because I know it'll just. I know what'll happen is I'll end up doing that session and then when I want to trade it, it's gonna be fucking non-existent. It's just the way of the luck. I took a sneaky trade on GJ yesterday. I got topped out of break even by 1 pip, and then it launched 30 pips. That was great as well. So yeah, I don't have trading gods on me. I have to work. So yeah, 71 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Let's get to 100 likes before 8 o'clock. What do you think about trading closures above and below on the 1 hour? Just closures, no impulses. Yeah, they're great, especially in the hourlies. It shows that's leaving zones. Very nice. Very good, very nice. Yeah. 30-minute causing a little bit of resistance here. 1849. Nice stuff. Could be the 4 hour making the top wick. I mean, you could do sells below 1849, to be honest, couldn't you, really? That could be an option. That could be a little bit of an option over here as well. So yeah, if this rejects the zone, I'm in on the flip for GJ. A flip? What flip? Oh, this 30-minute flip. For sells? What? Oh, on buys. I don't know. For me now, this zone's too small. 409, yeah. Okay, fair. Fair dues. Yeah, I mean, if that 5-minute closes back below, could be interesting. Could be interesting for sure. There you go, GJ closed above the resistance. Yep, on the 50-minute, but the issue you have now is zone 2 that you're coming into has already been filled first of all, and it's also quite small. Look at the closure. The closure's bang in the middle of the zone. I hate taking trades right in the middle, because the price could retest here to then continue. So getting into a buy there with stop loss like there is not the nicest place, because your stop loss is still in zone 2. It's best to have your stop loss hit here in the previous zone. Much easier. Yeah. Bored. Yeah. Not good in GJ buy? Yeah, exactly. This is not the nicest area, I'd say. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. AJ, I want buys above would be nice. Come on, Goldie. Goldie's making a nice top wick. Is this one for the 30 as well? Oh no. 30 didn't really close above. Didn't really close above. Let's take a look. Naked kills back, for fuck's sake. Naked kills back for people just taking GJ buys here. Gold not yet dropping. Yeah, it hasn't closed below this little minor support either. So, still look at the hourly. Yeah, it's also hourly support. So, this could easily just wick back up, right? So. Yeah. Savage in drawdown. Yeah. I would love to see him manage risk, but it doesn't look like these guys do, right? So let's just go through, right? If you were in this trade, how could you have managed risk? So for me, this is on the 50-minute time frame. Once this candle closed bullish above there, I think that would have been good to close 50%. So that means if you had a stop loss, okay, let's take a look. This is how you can get good R to R as well, because these guys don't really get good R to R either, right? Because the stops are just big and the TP1 is 1-to-1. So here, I mean, at the break of the highs there. Oh, that's on the 5-minute. I'd rather have the 15 to look at. Let's take a look, see if you can change it.
Max,
Yeah.
if I should show you my trade, and you look at Savage's trade, where he sold, I bought.
Really?
My trade, I'm just looking at it now.
Nah.
Man.
To be fair, he's been doing well recently. He's done some pretty good trades. So nah, I still give him credit. I think I just love to see him manage risk a little bit more. That would be nice to see. I'd like that. I'd like to see that.
We're so bullish, man. Why would you want to sell?
Yeah, not there anyway.
But he was hoping for that raise to hold up. That's all.
Yeah.
And an EMA.
Thing is that yeah, I mean you could have just had your like where's this? So this stop loss. The only way I can see that it was based off is this resistance that I've got over here on the right hand side here. But theoretically, right, if you break that Asian high or whatever, if you break this high here, you know, is that 10 pips going to give you much probability to still win? No, probably not. So
have a look there, Max.
let's take a look.
And you check Savages.
Yeah, literally. It's worked out nicely. Nicely. How much are you up this month, Max? 4%. Was it 4%? No, sorry. It might be 4. Let's take a look. It's all here to see. 3.26. 3.26.
Call me Jay Savage.
Daniel deleted his streams. To be honest with you, actually, I've realized now he probably actually doesn't delete his streams because when I play one tune from Spotify, it gets completely copyrighted and it actually doesn't show. I have to go onto the settings and then cut the music out, and that takes about 4 hours per fucking music song. So if you've played songs the whole time, you're never gonna get that back. You'll have to be there for an hour cutting the whole fucking thing down. Like, it would never work. So that's why they're not there. So actually, I get why. Wow, beautiful, GJ. Amazing, well done. Another fucking run, 20 pips with no confirmations, apart from everything's bullish. Amazing! Break of the highs. Could have gone the break of the highs, 7 pips. Next resistance was only 4 pips away, so yeah. Amazing. I took GJ in the 5-minute retest. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can see. Well, the 5-minute was a nice retest at 423. Oh, did you get in there? Yeah, that was. So we got in there. 423 was stop loss below. That wasn't too bad, yeah. Very, very delicate entries today for sure. There's been no real nice ones. 5-minute entry, yeah. AJ not doing anything again. Confirmation was on the 1 minute. 1 minute confirmation. We do love a good 1 minute confirmation. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's 6 minutes left. Oh, look at that retracement shit. Makes sense though for me now. This is the danger zone. Look at this. Danger, danger. It was a bit risky because London opened so close, but did play out. That is true as well, yeah. Let's take a look at what that was. Yeah, 750, like 752. Shit. Yeah. Now it's retracing all the way, which is looking like it may be finding that level. And it kind of did this with this candle as well. We'll have to see. Thank you for the subscriber there. Thank you very much for subscribing, Richard. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I think people have... I haven't did that in a long time, actually. Make sure to subscribe. Whack in the subscribe button. This is 7,000 subscribers, hopefully. Yeah, agreed. Maybe back in the zone would be nice for rejections, for sure. Re-enter for sell? Yeah, maybe later on, but definitely not now. AU. AU. Just keep London open so close, yeah. Oh yes. Let's take a look. So 4 minutes time. It's gonna be interesting to see how this closes over here. There's just so much volume. So yeah, I already see people in the chat going re-enter for sales, re-enter for sales, and don't just think that one little retracement means that it's gonna fly all the way back down, man. You're gonna need some confirmations, which first of all would be closing back below 400. Knowing my luck, take an impulse buy and then watch price reverse. Exactly. Yeah, I think some people are blessed with trading gods and some people aren't. And for me, I'm not one of them. So breaking of highs on impulses, I just fucking lose pretty much every time. So that's why I've made it so I don't do that. I need to go to the trading gods. I need to go to the trading temple, and then like, there's a figure at the top there. It's just Ted in a fucking cloak. Ted's the fucking Pope. Let's take a look. So 3 minutes left for this candle. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah. Ted is the tree trading Jesus. AU sell or buy? I see nothing in AU. Someone looks like they see something. The trading temple. Ted's fucking Master Yoda. My charts froze yesterday, and within minutes I saw GJ fly in FOREX Factory. Ooh. Does FOREX Factory have charts? Shit, I didn't even know that. Roger Banks trolling Daniel. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, no. So let's take a look to the left hand side. It's going to be closing right at that resistance that I've had marked up over here. So yeah, the buys for me are just are not going to be a vibe. I'm just going to wait for maybe some support to form later on. So going back, how you could have got in, I mean, the only kind of thing that I could have really seen on the 15, which is, you know, the lowest time I really want to take trades on, was closure above and break at the high there. But my zone to the left was marked up, and this is 3 pips, 4 pips, so it wasn't worth it. Which economics books do you recommend reading? I think any of them. I had to read them at uni, so yeah. AJ is nice for a buy. Ooh, maybe. Just to look at the hourly time frame. Hourly closing in 46 seconds. 4-hour time frame. The last one closed bearish, which kind of sucks. But yeah, I mean, closures above would be nice. There's a retest on the 5 minute as well as the 15. Yeah, that retest could have been. Did anyone else see that? Sasha Bride, did you anyone see that 5-minute retest?
Yeah, I saw it, but I just like this daily. I'm happy to stay away from GJ today.
Yeah,
Me too.
Just sit up, put my feet up, just take a look at gold.
Yeah, we had it, but it was just I don't like the zone and the race.
Yeah. I agree.
I think because if I took it and then took an L with the daily sitting right there, I'd kick myself.
Yeah, me too. That's
So
why.
yeah, yeah, it's like fuck it.
At any point, this candle can start fucking rinsing back down. So yeah. Doesn't mean it can't continue though, guys. It just means the comfort level for us is just not there. Oh, no top wick.
In a gold cell.
You're in a gold cell?
I'm looking at gold cells on the 5-minute. I have my little trend over there.
Yeah, I'm looking for cells below 1848 as well. 30-minute goes bullish though. Hourly's pushing up. Cells below there would be okay though for sure. Big fat 5-minute candle. Look at that stinking candle. Very interesting. Yeah, interesting. So we'll see. I mean, you know, it's likely it's gonna make at least a top wick at some point. So that could be nice. But yeah, for me, it could reject at any point, and it would be a rather shame. To be in a trade there and getting slapped a little bit, I think, for people. GJ's retesting, yeah, but it's for the very, very bearish, very, very strong 5-minute bearish candle. But yeah, I mean, if you're happy with it, I don't know where you put your stops.
Okay, baddie.
Huh?
No, sorry, my mic was on. That was my turn.
Oh, what a man!
What has been done to me?
Mr. Fargo, Robbie comes in and he goes, "Oh, baddie."
Brian,
Right, my man.
My man.
You sick old devil.
Classic.
That's great. That's fucking great.
Mics can be dangerous, eh? Is that new mic?
Hey, Jason.
Yeah, I see that.
You see.
You see it?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait there, but you're gonna be balls deep, aren't you?
Take a sales, bitches! Look at the 15. 11 minutes left. Still look at the 30-minute time frame.
Yeah. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. So I'm waiting for that minute, and then if we close below, balls deep.
I tried to go Savage video. Yeah, you can't look at Savages because it's copyright. I actually give him that. You can't see it because he's been playing music.
Actually, you must spread your chart a bit wider, man, so that it can look a bit nicer. Like make it wide, like yeah, like that. Like, there we go. You can make the trend line sexy.
Yeah, boy. So Jason over here likes to trade on the 5 minutes. I think Jason may jump in over here in a second when this closes below. If it closes below.
I'm waiting for that.
I'm gonna probably wait for the next 15, maybe. Well, Dolly's in the room. Hello, Dolly. Where's she gone? She just walked out. Where the fuck's she gone? Daniel equal child. He auto deletes when there's a loss or something. I don't think he does any of his ones. They're all there, I think. Deleted. AJ flipping. Oh, let's take a look. Yep, AJ is flipping. So nice rejection work, I suppose. Could be interesting. No. Not yet. For Goldie for me. Personally, I'm going to wait a little longer. But I do think
this is disgusting right now.
Yeah. I mean, overall, actually as a whole, for like the days, etc., it isn't too nice, right? Because it's just, look at this range. God dang. Yeah. But there's still opportunities, right?
You didn't close below, man. Can I send you my chart? We didn't close below. I'm not in there, so if you shoot and runs, so be it. But it rejected kind of hard though. Yeah. So yeah, I got like a 5-minute zone here over there as well.
Yeah, Mike, just a tip: when you draw the trend line on a 5-minute gold chart, make sure you draw it on the wicks.
Yeah.
Because that's where price ultimately reacts.
Yeah.
If you're trading on that setup, it should be on the wicks, because that's where price really did its move. You see how Jason did it?
Yeah.
And you have a cleaner, safer setup. Because if you put it on the bodies is they're important too, but in the end it has also something to do just where time ran out on the 5-minute candle. And if you look at the wicks, that's where price really reacted. So that's something to keep in mind.
So here, Jace,
don't lie.
Your candle didn't close below, right? So you're waiting a little longer.
100%. So I'm not in there. Also because I have like a break and retest there as well. So I was also looking at that. So we broke above that zone on the 5, but we never retested it yet. So I was also looking at that as well. So that basically happened now. We broke above, retested it, but I'm still looking for breakup structure of that 5-minute trend as well.
Yeah. Max, did you enter the GJ retest? No, because first of all we pushed up too much to my resistance levels anyway, and also the daily resistance is here, so fuck that. How about new? But I can see how people may have got caught in there. I mean, where was the retest? The retest was there, 496, so yeah. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see, boy. 200 pips down on GJ. Oh. Is that in a trade or a what? Was Daniel streaming today? Yes, think so. So, looking like GJ's coming back in the zone. Oh. Coming back in the zone, bitch. Sells. What we'd be looking for then? I mean, for me, it'd be a nice ass candle. Oh, it's only 8. It's only 8 minutes past 8. We've got a lot of time. Oh yes. Retraced all that way. So I mean, if this next candle over here closes below, makes a top wick, and then flips back in the zone, I don't see why not. Because now we've broken past Asian highs. We've rejected. We're coming back in. It should fill this wick and continue maybe a little bit further down over here. So that could be good. That could be good. Let's take a look. Let's see. I think someone says Raj's story. What's Raja just posted over here? Oh no.
Streamers here. One of our rookie Streamer, I would say prices in an uptrend, selling on exhaustion candle, obviously hitting stop loss right here.
Oh
and
my
then
god.
This is where we have price broke above the
Look at Raja with his impulses. He's such
profit. You know, if it continues running, amazing bonus profits, but you know, you gotta trade the trend, guys. You have to trade.
Oh my
Securing right
god.
sense.
That's cheeky, eh?
You say deleted stream.
Yeah, he deleted it straight away.
Nah, I don't think it actually is deleted, unless it actually is. But
No.
because like for me, look, let's take a look over here, right? So if I go in here, if I go to lives, so take a look at where one I did put some music on. So I did it a couple days ago, but I deleted it and it's fine now. But look here. So this one was a couple of musics, but you can see it's partially blocked. There'll be some here that are fully blocked. Actually, no. Let's take a look. When was the last time I did a stream like that? Let's take a look. It was quite a while ago. So they get blocked pretty much instantly. But I mean, if it's straight away, then no. It only takes maybe a couple hours. Yeah, partially blocked. So yeah, maybe he just did. Thing is, though, Raja does need to be a little bit careful because some of his NY trades are also a little bit shit, so he needs to be careful before Daniel comes on there and slags him off as well. God, these people, man. No hourly topic thoughts on that on GJ? Yeah, I'd probably want to wait for the 30 to close anyway, to be honest. The 15's too weak a confirmation. Yeah, so I'm probably just going to wait for the 30. Because, yeah, couldn't make this hourly topic still. My friend is a streamer and he has a way to send the music through a separate channel that doesn't attach to the video. Oh, bro, message me about that, because that would just be life-changing. That would be fucking life-changing. Because I am sick of these fucking crappy ass.
What was that?
There's a way to play like copyrighted music and them not finding out by like playing it through a different thing or something. I don't know. Some guy said in the chat. That'd be pretty sick. That'd be pretty sick. Gold moves. Take a look. Oh shit, Jace. 10 pip stop, 6 pip gain at the moment. 2 minutes left for this candle closure. 17 minutes left. Ooh. We'll have to see. So the 30-minute time frame hasn't broken the low of the previous yet. Interesting. Very interesting. Looking like it's. Let's take a look on the 5 where it kind of touched back. Oh, untested area there. It's kind of nice. 387. For me though, it pushed down too much. Retraced a lot. Retraced a lot, man. Charger whack today, yeah. AJ coming up over here. 50-minute time frame is going to be closing in a minute's time. $18 pip stops. Just a look at the 30-minute coming up. Hourly is. This looks kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. Ah, you twat. 30 seconds left. last candle didn't make much. Sorry, did make a big ass bottom wick. So the probability that this one makes a big one is probably kind of small. Probably kind of small. Look at GJ retracing. Goldie over here. Reflipped, continued. So the 5 minute would have worked there. Jace, did you get it? Did you get it, boy? 10 pips. Wait for the top wick. Reflip. 10 pips. Easy.
Actually, I was in. So I was in it like 6 pips profit, and then stop loss to break even, and with the retrace up, I tapped my break even, and then
fair.
I just went break even now. I waited a little longer.
Thing is, this, like, that is just my discipline. Whenever I'm 5 pips up, especially on gold, I will go break even, like, regardless.
Yeah.
The thing is this, I think psychologically, when the trade doesn't goes my way, it still has an effect on me, man. Like, what did I do wrong, etc. So I'd rather just play it safe, you know.
Yeah.
Well done, Vinny.
Cute.
5 minute retest is at 95,996, but it looks like it's breaking the high now. It may just continue over here. How did you go about taking buys on the pair like AJ when the closest traffic to compare is to the next years? You just use it. It's better than nothing. Company like GJ's retraced all the way. Very nice. Do 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 do. Oh, AJ, you cunt. AJ gone. Oh, just so impulsive. London session, man. Let's take a look. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the watermarks. Yeah, I take them off when I'm doing the homework over here. Let's quickly do that. Quickly do that. Oh, look at Goldie. Very nice. Back down to 1846. Beautiful. So 5 minute would worked out nicely here. We discussed it well. Discussed it well. So now over here it's made the top wicks. I would rather not have that because this could be price rejecting. So that's done. I got break even too. Oh, did you guys take? What did you guys take? Gold. Yeah, that came out of nowhere. That 5 minute candle. 92. Yeah, it did actually tap it over here. The wicks. Very nice. Gold breaking trend line. Yeah. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours flipping. Very nice. Let's take a look over here. 30 pips to the lows and then to 1838. That's what I'm going to look for, boy. So earlier entries there would have been nice as well. Very good. So yeah, we'll see. 1840. Make a top wick on the hourly and close below 167398 would be great, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's looking still bullish over here still at the moment, but yeah. Maybe later on. Maybe later. So 10 minutes time would be the half an hour candle closing, which is what I want. And that is what I'll be looking for next. Nice bearish closures though. Oh fuck, what the fuck is this? So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look on the 15. How does this look? Yeah, it's nice for me. To look at the 4 hour, it'll be a 4 hour flip. And it'll be the daily coming back down over here. So we'll see if you can get it. What happened to the jazz music? Yeah, I'll change it every so often. The jazz music. So AJ did continue over here. Very nice. So 1846.3. This is what we're looking for. 1846.3 to continue down. Bearish. EJ to the moon. Yeah, it looks like people took EJ over here. Very, very nice. Very nice. My AJ looked pretty good to continue after that closure. Would you have got 10 pips yet? Nope. Not yet. There's just nothing. How many trades you taken so far this week, Brian? How many trades? I've taken 2, but I don't think it's that many more for you. Maybe like 4. Oh yes, GJ, get your ass. Not GJ, Goldie, get your ass down, boy. Get your ass down. So yeah, nice 30-minute closure. Below would be tasty. How much is that 5-minute run now if you got in there? 18 pips, wow. Bloody beautiful, I say. Where would stop loss be on gold? Be on the previous 15 or the previous, or the current top wick. Depends what the entry would be, yeah. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what it does for us. Take a look at AJ again. AJ, oh, I actually did make the top wick now on the 30-minute and the hourly. Nice. Maybe to continue. Maybe to continue. Let me take a look at how big this new episode is. And Obi-Wan. $39 what the fuck? That's the smallest one. No! Let's take a look at a group over here. USD Chuff 4 hour flip. USD Chuff flipped and launched. I tried telling you, lol. I don't trade it, so I couldn't care less. But well done if you caught it. Well done if you caught it. Very nice. It's hourly bearish as fuck. Oh, I bet Jace is kicking himself. Fuck. Good discipline though, Jace.
Thanks, man. I am kicking myself. Let me send you the trade idea. Oh man, I am actually. I'm just, just watching it, seeing it goes. You know the feeling, man. I don't need to explain it even to you.
The thing is, though, it worked. I mean, everyone in the YouTube literally saw you talking about it. Looking at the line, waiting for a break, and then it worked out nicely. So it's all good.
Just a good shot. I think it's so clean, man. I'm actually.
I think I've seen it enough times now for me to execute. I'm not gonna lie. So the next time this happens, I'm gonna pop that bitch.
You
Because it actually lets you get into the trades where we normally miss in the 15.
Yes,
right?
exactly that. Exactly that.
Yeah. It's nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. 5 minutes left for this 30-minute closure. Want to see how it reacts because it's at this hourly support over here. So we'll have to see how it reacts there. Hopefully a nice closure, nice top wick and a drive, bitch. That'd be good for me. I did paper trade that gold with entry at 1849. Beautiful, yeah. So a lot of people over here, if you paid attention, now we'd have got them gold cells. So yeah, we'll go through them every single day because they happen a lot. They happen actually a very large amount of times, and it gives you the stops tasty as well. GJ, it looks scary. Yeah, I'm not touching GJ. If you're already in though, then you're good, man. I mean, it's reflipped. It's gonna break the high. It's gonna continue bullish over here. Very nice. So yeah, come on Goldie, close your below over here. Nice zone to fill, would be nice. 32 pips, what I'm looking for. I got the same gold cell, only moved stop loss too early to break even and got out. Yeah, looks like a lot of people did that, but I think, you know, your stop was beautiful over here. Just had to make this top wick. I broke the low already, didn't really make much of a top wick, I don't think. So yeah, that was the trade entry there. There, stop loss above the previous 12 pip stops, back down to the lows, 20 pips. So I mean, theoretically here, that's the logical way. It's coming down to the next support. So 20 pips stops, you could close 80% and then leave the rest running at break even to the lows. And because you've got such a higher entry in the 5 minute, you know, it got a good potential to continue down, which is nice. So yeah, beautiful 5 minute entry that was looked at today. Nice.
Yeah, I'm still up 9 pips in profit on that early entry, so it really gives you more chance to ride the bigger trends.
Yeah,
if it works.
Well, it's actually even more so. Like there was one a couple days ago that me and Brian and everyone watched, and it was a gold trade where it rejected the lows and absolutely fucking launched like 120 pips back in the zone, and the only way to get in was that 5 minute. The 5 minute trend line break. So yeah, it's pretty good.
I think I caught that one last week. Remember that?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, that was it.
It ultimately ran 220 pips.
Wow.
My runner took 220 pips, so that was good.
Yeah.
And I had a 15 pip stop loss, so that's not bad.
That's not bad at all. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, would you have got 10 pips in that AJ trade? Yes. 10.2 pips. Wow. Beautiful. Stop loss is 14.6. Stretching a little bit on AJ that, but not bad. Finally, Tubby boy. So impulse is there. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean 14 pips. That stop loss would have given you 10 pips. For the 5 minute. Yeah, it's just 5 minute bullish engulfing straight away, coming out of nowhere. Let's take a look. JPY pair so jumpy today. Just a lot of volume with them, right? Look at that though. If you broke the highs there, you'd have had to take in 10 pips drawdown. Oof. Oof. Not about that. Hell no. So there we go. Reacted on that level. Great. Very nice. So looking like the 5 minute entry was the trade there. Very, very nice. I think 5 minute and 50 minute candles at session opens can serve as decent confirmations after closure because of the bigger volume. Yeah, agreed. Very much agree. It'll be interesting to see in the next couple hours where this 4 hour closes. Closes bullish. Very, very nice. The daily time frame though is at right at daily res now. Right at daily res. Bloody gorgeous. Very nice.
Yeah, I just put the chart here so you can see how I entered. See, so I waited for this where your arrow is there. I waited for a bearish confirmation candle, and then I entered when price flipped the low of that bullish one.
Yeah.
See the wick to the left?
Uh-huh.
That one. I entered on that price when price broke that low.
Yeah.
And I had my stop loss above the highs, which was above the trend line, which gives you a little breathing room.
Yeah. Very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. GJ, if creating a support on 15, I'm taking it. Oh, let's watch this guy take it then. 50 minutes made support. Take it. Take it, bitch. Would you get in on the flip? Would you get in on the closure? Would you get in on the break of the high? So if you're in the closure, you'd be in right now. Try and fill that wick. For me, it's 30-minute close bearish as well.
I got in on the previous candle when it broke the high on gold on GJ.
Yeah.
8 pips and then so when it broke the bearish one, I got 8 pips and then back to break even. So it's yuck.
Yeah. They gave it the opportunity though, right? Was that 30-minute flip as well? Yeah, it's 30-minute flip. Yeah. It's because the zones are getting smaller, right?
Yeah, because the 30 and the 1 hour looked the same, right? So nice rejection.
Yeah.
But it just didn't get to 10.
Yeah. I also did prior. That's an A+ good gold trade executed right below the zone. Congrats, yeah. So that's the thing. I think, you know, if you can't get in on the 15, then look at the 5 minutes, and there is some entries. I mean, is there another example over here that we could show people? Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. So 3 touches, 1, 2, 3, closure above, break of the high, stop loss below would be 25 pips. Could use a current low though. That would be nice. Yeah, they happen quite a lot on the 5s and Goldie. Don't they call that celery plate? Yeah, you took a celery, yeah. Oh yes. So if GJ 30 minutes starts to break previous high, then GJ gonna fly. Nice. Yeah, I'll watch it. I'll watch it. I'm just not gonna do it. This daily level here for me is just gonna be not a vibe in my journal if I take a losing trade. See you NY later, Vincent, my boy. Doesn't mean it can't run up, it just means for me personally, if I did this trade 100 times, what's going to be the outcome? And for me, it doesn't look like it's going to win 80 times, so I'm not going to do it. Harry Kane will help England win the World Cup. We are not winning the World Cup in the slightest. We played fucking awful last night again. Why is Harry Maguire on the pitch? Why is he on the pitch?
You played last night?
Ah, fucking England, Germany. Look at this fucking dozy twat, right?
Harry Maguire!
Look at this motherfucker. He's been told he's out of position all the time. He keeps on wandering. Why is he wandering? He's slow as fuck. Right, look at this way. This is first goal. Where is it? It might be further. No, it was on the other side. Let's take a look. Oh, I think it was it here? Is that Harry Maguire again? Was that just Harry Maguire then? Yeah, that's Harry Maguire, look at him. He's fucking fallen over. First of all, that's not the bad thing though. Is it this? Nope, it's not this. It's somewhere. Where the fuck is it? It's when they scored. It was actually their goal. He basically made them score, which is stupid. Let me go find it.
You guys lose.
No, it was 1-1, but we scored a fucking penalty. Right, here it is, right? Okay. Is it there? Show me the fucking goal! Oh my god, I missed it already? Yeah, here, this is it. Look at Harry Maguire fucking running back. What a retard. Right, watch this. I'll highlight Harry Maguire. 1 second. Oh, is that the recap already? Yeah, I think it is. Let's go back. Right. Right. So, you know, pretty fucking obvious, right? Where would you want your centre backs to be? Well, you want 2 of them here, right? And then the left wing and the left back and the right back. Where the fuck is Harry Maguire? Look at him. Look at him. He's there. It's this geezer. That's Rice. He's in Rice's position. What the fuck are you doing? So look at this, right? So one pass. Watch this. Look, the gap. Why is the gap there? Because fucking big slabhead himself isn't there. You fucking retard. Oh my god.
You've got the support line here.
Yeah, like, yeah. He's fucking over there. What's he doing over there? That's Rice's job, you dozy twat. And then look at him running back, right? So look, he's like, oh shit. He's like, shit. They score, and then look at him running back at that next one. Like, it's just basic defending. Look at him. He's like, oh no. Look how slow he's walking. And look at John Stones trying to do his best, man. He's absolutely washed. He needs to be fucking sacked instantly. He needs to go back to fucking Champions League. Not Champions League. Not Championship League. Championship. Yeah. Holy shit. I mean, I've seen him do that all season. He keeps on coming out. That should be the centre mid's fucking position. Get back in the centre back, you retard.
That's 90 million quid for you, mate.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Well, people are saying, oh, well, he's been good for England, so, you know, keep him in. I'm like, yeah, but, you know, he's clearly not good enough.
Yeah, the thing is this, he's really having, like, a bad period in his career. And the fact that, like, I know, you know, Southgate is obviously backing him because, you know, he's good, man, but at the minute he is shy, mate, you know, and everybody can see that. And you know, even the top defenders in the world, you know, they always mention it. You know, you go through bad periods, bad patches, etc., and you just need to rediscover your form.
I know, but look, so he's getting paid 189 grand a week. Holy fuck. 189 grand, but it's not even like he's got bad form. Like, his form's bad, right? Which, you know, he's doing basic defending wrong. Like, I got told. The thing is this, like, you never press the strikers. You stay back. You wait until they try and make a move, and then you get in. You don't fucking press them up the pitch and leave you a massive gap behind. That's what they're looking for.
And you know what the sad part is? There are guys that are doing well, that actually has form, you know, but they don't get into the team because the coach decides, hey man, I'm gonna play Harry, and you know that causes like so much disruption amongst the whole group, etc. And man, but anyway,
exactly, man.
He's gonna pay the price for it. What's his name, Southgate, and. The same like with Ragnick. I mean, so just imagine he's Man United's captain. Man United is being poor on their own. Now you have your leader that is doing shit like that. Jeez. Yeah. Imagine, how can you listen to a guy that is not even in position?
Innit?
Oh, shit.
That's ridiculous. looking mad. So yeah, I mean, still closures below for me for sells. I'd still probably take, to be honest, with the hourlies. 20 minutes left. We'll see. For me though, looking back, I mean, that 5-minute entry would have been nice. AJ, the closure, but the stop loss was a little bit too big for me. And GJ, for me, there's nothing on GJ I didn't like. Apart from that 5-minute retest there. A 429, and then your stop loss could have been. Was that when this candle closed? No, it wasn't. Was it? No. 7:30 closed above. Let's take a look. Oh no, yeah, it was. What? How the fuck did that retest then? I think it did it before then. Yeah, must have. So yeah, the retest is there. So you take a buy there on the retest, and then stop loss would be below there. That's the only thing I could have seen. Apart from that, it's still washed. But it's just the candles that I want to trade on there. So I just be patient until it comes along. I'm on a 4-winning streak anyway, so I'm not really too asked. I can chill about, wait for price to sort itself out. Later on, sells below, still going to be looking nice. GJ, maybe some support form or some sells later on as well. Yeah. I think that would be good. So we'll see. 20 more minutes left though, we'll see what we can do. Look at AJ's hit TP2 would have been there. Right at the bodies of the candles at the resistance, very nice. Good work from it. Who's long on gold? Let's take a look. Looking like it's rejected the lows though, so yeah, looks pretty good. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's reflipping. The 4-hour time frame is bullish again. For me, it's in a bit of a consolidation range now. Buys above 1850 would be kind of good to continue to at least 1853, 1854. No trade this session, Max? No. So this week so far, three streams, 2 trades taken. So far. GU sells, Max with 15-minute closure, 4-hour about to flip. Nice. I don't trade GU, but hope it goes well. This back on gold. What chart was this? Danny's got some charts in over here. Oh my god. What does he get from this? My god. What chart is this? So this is a 746 buys above 167,500. Look like you might have got that here. Oh no, you didn't. How are your indexes and stocks doing, Maxi boy? I don't even look at them, to be honest. I'll leave them in for later on when I'm older. With the resistance, think some bears, but I'm usually wrong in predictions. Only trade the actual movements. Yeah. When you start guessing that, it does get a little bit harder, right? It's best to just wait. Oh yeah. Gonna leave the charts and wait for NY to see what price it has in store for me so far. Nothing for me. Yeah, agreed. I pray to the trading gods. I'm gonna pray right now, right? Please, trading gods, let there be some fucking volume and movements before 2 o'clock, please. The past 8 days there's been a fucking none. There we go. Pretty hard, Maxi. And you can see by this, if you take a look at like Lynn's over here, Lindsay, good trader. She's taken 1 trade, I'm pretty sure, this month, sorry. Yeah, she's taken 1 trade, and it was actually an L yesterday. So yeah, it just hasn't been there. She finishes very early as well, right? So she finishes about the time I do. Yeah. Yeah, so only with the one trade yesterday. Let's take a look at EJ then, because EJ, I think a lot of people took EJ over here. I want to see if I could have taken it if I did trade the pair, just to see if everything lined up. Oh, EJ was easy. Yeah, EJ was nice. Depending on actually how these formed, though, to be honest. So I think let's take a look over here. This is resistance, closure above, bottom wick, retest as well. Taking a buy there. Fuck, that'd be nice. That would have got to not 10 pips. Would have came back, retested again. Would I have held that on? Let's take a, oh no, sorry. It's kind of pushed. Oh yeah, 19 pips. There we go. That was a nice retest. So look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looked a little bit shit, but 15 looked good. Stop loss was 5 pips. Closure above. That was beautiful. You could have even got in over here as well. Just stop loss here. Stop loss below the previous 10 pip stops. And a 12 pip gain. So that was easy. What time is that? 7:45, 7:30. Yeah. So what I'm trading EJ, that was much easier than fucking GJ.
Yeah, I used to trade EJ like 2 years ago, to be honest, and because of the weeks on the lower time frame, it was more of a hourly,
to hold on
4 hour kind of thing. Yeah. So that's how much time you need to give your trade, man, because of the weeks that it throws.
Yeah.
So yeah, when I got out of it, I just left it, man. So yeah, I wouldn't be too annoyed, because the thing is this, once GJ is clean, it respects our zones, our candles, etc., and it pays, man. And EJ takes a bit long, man, too.
Yeah.
It's more for swing trading. It's just my opinion based on when I traded it first.
Lots of impulses this week. Yeah. Yeah, there's been a lot of impulses, which is fine. Just for me. It's not there. I would love to see someone like Don trading the London with the London volume. He seems to get in a little bit earlier like me, but I think he would also miss a lot of trades because they're all impulses, right? So it's either that, you either take the impulses if you can get a good entry, or you just sit back and you wait until not. That's all you do. CJ. Bro, lost $120 in gold. Just look at the 1 hour chart and you'll see that gold makes 0 cents. I don't know. I think it looks okay to me.
Does make sense.
Yeah. So
previous daily was bullish, and this is just tested Asian lows with the 4 hour flip.
Yeah.
Then you rejected 4 hour flip, and now you're going with the daily bias.
Yeah.
This all makes sense. The sells were down to that level, and then when you get to that level, you're in problem area.
Yeah, and then you come back up if you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I mean, even if if you just think zone to zone, right? I mean, it's just closed back below. It's filled the zone up. It's hit the support. It's rejected back up. It's pretty simple. Goldie pushing up. 11 minutes left for this closure. How would buys look? 4 hour resistance as 4 hour support / resistance is right there again. The daily time frame may be flipping though, so yeah, we'll see. There's a little 5 minute before Jason comes on. Yo, bro. Would it have been a second? Oh no.
The daily on gold as well. If you, you zoom out a bit. Yeah, we're low. And we've had a bullish close yesterday, so still long for the day.
Yeah.
Till later.
Agreed. That wick destroyed me. Ah, you in cells? Yeah, I think the cells. So, Lowy, this is a good example, right? Did you get in like here? Later on, after this one made the lower wick. And then you try to wait for the top wick again and reflip and then continue it back down. That is a candle that happens all the time. And you got to remember, yeah, okay, so that's what you did. So price came down, tapped the zone, retraced, and then you wait for top wick and then reflip. And you're like, oh, it's going to fill the wick, it's going to fill the wick. What you need to think about is the zones, right? So this is zone 1, this is zone 2. Prices came into zone 2, we've pushed all the way down, and look where we've tapped the support. This for me is the trade done. The next trade is in zone 3 when we close below here. Okay? So knowing that prices came back down to the support, now this candle could just do this now, right? And it could be in a little bit of a hard time. So when you're getting into trades, if you're going from zone to zone and you're wanting to fill zone 2, right? Where is the best place to take the trades? Is it, you know, around there, like 5 minutes that we looked at? Is it there, or is it there? Well, you know, it's probably going to be up here, right? Why is it going to be up here? Because the zone is big enough, right? But if you get in at the middle, right in the middle, after we've just rejected the lows and we've just tapped the lows over here, you know, your stop loss is in the range. You don't have a really good stop because the stop isn't above the previous area, and the actual distance is pretty small right now. The distance is small. It's only 10 pips down here and 10 pips there. So the best way to get in is at the lows, and this is why for me sometimes you'll hear me say, oh, I might have missed the move. And what this means is that at the 50-minute time frame over here is closed too far in the zone. Okay, if this 50-minute candle closed there, made a top wick and then flipped, I would have been in there because it's such a nicer entry at the highs. So just be cautious, and you know, this for me is a FOMO trade, right? That's a FOMO trade. You've missed the initial push here, you're wanting to try and get in again, and you tried to get in again, and now you've got slapped. So changing from a trade that a lot of people got wins on to a losing trade, it's going to affect you. So all you got to do is stop taking the FOMO trades, right? Save you a hell of a lot of time to take them for sure. The only entry here was on the 5-minute. Okay, the 15 was way too in this zone. If the 15 over here came up, retested this level, then reflipped, you may have done it, but it came back and made the low first, so it just wasn't the nicest. Okay, gold over here pushing up, breaking the highs, so impulsive trades. Where would you put your stops? Current low was probably not doing it too much. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. How does this look? Diddy's pushing up. Owlie's pushing up. Interesting. What do you think for buy, Sash? I know you like the overall daily.
It's
only this.
I was looking at this the last 15, but because we have the hourly, it was only 15 minutes.
Yeah, I mean after this closure,
like 8 minutes of the hourly. Yeah, looks good after the closure.
A nice low wick to retest back to there and then flipping could be okay.
Yeah, so got that this high here I want to get to.
Yeah.
Today.
Asian highs, isn't it?
Yeah. Because the Asian low was there. We had that was the previous 4 hour. This was the low wick plus this bit.
Yeah.
Actually no, wait, what time is that? So 6 o'clock. So this from 6 5. Actually, I can't see it. Let me check my chat.
Check your chat, boy.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock to. So this 2 o'clock to 4 was the retracement to the 4 hour level, and then now it's the push, and then I want to get this high touch today.
Yeah.
Should touch at some point. But we've got daily flips sitting right there as well. It's like all in one.
Yeah. Wow, look at EJ, tasty. GJ is starting to relax over here. That's fair enough, though. Oh fuck! That's 14 pips of there. Let's look at the 5-minute. How is that? Interesting.
Also on gold as well. I've noticed now as well. The 4 hour. Remember yesterday we were looking at this level to hold. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Gone 4 hour. Actually, it's not that level. Sorry.
No, it's the here.
Yeah, there. So we did. If we wanted to keep going south, we would have closed below this. But this candle's break a structure. There's your retest down below.
Yeah.
So we're looking for longs
Yep.
somewhere up to. I think that's the high. I think it is on the Asian.
Yeah. Sounds good. How do I share chart? Either in Discord or in the chat, if you know how to do it in the chat. There's the coffee one. I'll put that on. Oh, I fancy a nice cup of coffee.
How many are you drinking a day now?
To be honest with you, recently it's only been like 1 or 2. I've kind of reduced.
You're gymming now anyway.
Yeah. Exactly. So I'm gonna get ready for these buys over here and kind of want this closure. I think it should be good. Oh wow, some more people took on them gold cells over here in the chat. Very nice, Matthew. That's G. Oh no, that's GU. Sorry. Very nice. So we'll take a look at this closure. See what the score is. Gold buys potentially. Oh fuck. Okay, so closing and in 3 minutes time. If it doesn't close above, then fuck. Look at GJ's still going over here. Another hourly bullish. Oh my god. 5 minute doesn't look too good though, actually. But nice. Gold sells again. Oh nah. If it doesn't get a closure, it's no good for the sells or buys. EJ. Wow. He got some volume today. Shit. EJ got some volume today. Oh, damn. Make sure you like the stream today there, guys. I'm waiting for some beautiful London sessions. And, you know, they just come in swings and roundabouts, right? So, May, how many did I take? Quite a lot in May as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in May. April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's a lot in April. So it just varies month to month, right? Some months is loads, some months is not. You just gotta stay with it. Bro, I'm so depressed from that gold move. You can't be emotional, my man. Just learn from your mistakes. You just sold in the middle of a zone. That's all you did. And now you know next time if that happens, sit back, relax, watch it, relax and chill out.
We in the leadership we watch paint dry so often.
Yeah.
It's difficult, but you need to do it, bro.
Yep. For sure, for sure. Look at that EJ, man. I wish I was in that EJ trade this morning. Fuck. I mean, re-entry's there. Look at the closures, though. So, yeah, much easier EJ today, right? 10 pip stops in the previous. Made the lower wick break the highs. Wow, that would be nice as well. How did that look like on the 30? 30 was nice. So nice lower wicks. Can you just see GJ had not many nice lower wicks before they started pushing off, so that's why it's not too nice. Wow, Goldie rejected hard. So Goldie's really struggling to find where it wants to go now. That should have really been the push. 9 o'clock normally gives it some good volume, to be fair. So you took them EJ buys. Nice. Well done, well done. Worked out nicely. Yeah, I was looking for it as well. Breaking the highs. Beautiful. So stop loss was... Let's take a look on the 5. How it would worked out. Yeah. For me, stop was just a little bit too big over here. When this opened, let's take a look on the 1 minute. Yeah, I made the top wick first. See you later, Connor, my man. Yeah. I may leave it soon as well. Let's take a look how this closed. Oh my god, 15 rejected.
Fucking gold, man.
I know.
It's the last hour of the 4 hour. I just don't know if it's going to reach the highs on this 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
Might be the next one.
Yeah.
Maybe. Thing is, if you go back, flick back again. Yeah, if we get something holding this level here for the next 4 hour, maybe we liquidate down here to the wick, then we drive. Possibly. Yeah. We might get one more touch to the 4 hour flip. Might do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks like today, I mean, it's been the 5 minute again, the 5 minute charts. So for me, the 5 minute entries, we actually talked about this, so well done for people taking this. I've been watching this I've been watching Jason and Vincent been taking these trades for a while now, and I think I'm comfortable now with probably taking one. So 3 touches, break, close below, stop loss. Sorry, stop loss would be on the previous high, so around about 11 pips, 12 pips. TP would have been down to the lows. Very nice. And then for buys above, you could have actually also done this one as well, which would have been a little bit cheekier, but it would have worked out. That one here as well. 13 pip stops. Look at that, double whammy. A double whammy on gold. So yeah, pretty nice. Apart from that though, I think GJ and EJ also is the one. I mean, there's a trade there, there's also a trade there. Very nice. I don't trade EJ, so that's why I didn't take him. And GJ for me just didn't give me the nicest opportunities. Brian tried to take the buys here for the salary play, which went 8 pips but couldn't continue. Any other entries were probably on the impulsive breaks of the highs there with stop loss below. Yeah, I think that's the only thing you could have done on GJ. So yeah, nothing there for me. That's fine. See for NY session. I hope there's going to be some moves. I've prayed to the NY gods, so hopefully it's going to be nice. If not, then I may wait later on actually for gold, because I'm wanting to trade today. I'm feeling it. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. See you later, Zoom at 12 o'clock. And yeah, guys, peace out. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Trust me, there's going to be some nice trades soon. It's just right now, there isn't much. Taking 2 trades this week, so it's not too bad. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos. See you later. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. See you guys tomorrow. 100% win rate this month so far. On a 4 winning streak. And you can see why, right? I'm being patient and I don't take too many trades. I'm waiting. So, yeah, guys, thank you very much and see you later. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos.